Hi, this is Cozy Watcher speaking to you live from St. Agatha Church at 3239 South 9th Street. And here you see I'm here at the fish fry, and this is my first time going to fish fries. I've been going to fish fries over the years, and and here the plate you see right here is my plate, and it's very good. And you see French fries right there, and some vegetables, and some real good fish with some good spicy stuff. And of course you see the people all around. This fish fry is every Friday, I believe. It's from 5:30 to 8 p.m. And so I'm about to go ahead and meet my friend Kaja from Poland, and I'll enjoy myself, and y'all take care and have a good night, all right? Bon appetit.